Still no verdict in the Kate Steinle murder trial. The jury has spent 5 days and a little more than 22 hours deliberating. ABC 7 News reporter Leanne Melendez is live at the Hall of Justice tonight with the latest on the jury's progress. Leanne?
Well, Dan, you know, at first we thought there could be a verdict today, and that's because we were told that the jury entered very quietly through a back door. And we were also once again reminded by the court of our duties as reporters once that verdict is heard. Now, once inside the courtroom, we are not allowed to leave until all the jurors are polled in order to really confirm the verdict. Today, there was no sign of the defendant's legal team. Only the prosecutor entered the courtroom today. That may mean that the jury is done asking questions of the attorneys, and they are now diligently deliberating and going over the statements made by witnesses and deciding if Jose Inez Garcia Zarate should be found guilty of second-degree murder. That's what he's been charged with, but they have been instructed to consider first-degree murder or involuntary manslaughter. Now, because it's been 5 days of deliberations in the Kate Steinle murder trial, of course, there is already talk of a possible hung jury, which is not really common.
A judge will generally try to assist the jury in reaching a verdict, and there are instructions that the judge will give a jury if it indicates that it is unable to reach a verdict.
Now, the other possibility is that he is acquitted. If that happens, there is a federal hold on Garcia Zarate, and he will be taken into federal custody to be eventually deported. At that point, he is no longer a problem of the state of California. Now, the jury now has one more day to come up with a verdict before, of course, they recess for the weekend. Remember, there is never any court on Fridays. I'm live at the Hall of Justice. Leanne Melendez, ABC 7 News.